Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to BSS Online Education. I am Muhammad Imtiaz Ali, your physics teacher. Today we are going to explain the next part of the measurement of volume. First one, look at here. The volume of a cylinder, the equation is about pi r square h. So pi, this is the constant number, and about r and h, here r is the radius and h is the height of a cylinder. This is the picture of a cylinder, and here you can see in a cylinder there are two circles, one at the top and the one at the bottom, and this line is known as the radius from center to the circumference, and from the top circle to the bottom one, that is called the height. So to find out any types of volume of any types of cylindrical shapes, we have to use this equation to find out its volume, that is about pi r square h. Now, containers used for measuring volume. Look at here. We can see two pictures, two different types of vessels to measure the volume of a liquid. So there are various kinds of vessels of different shapes and sizes to measure the volumes of liquids. For example, the 1 liter container used by a milkman and the 1 liter jug used at a ration shop to measure kerosene. So different types of vessels we are using to measure different types of liquids. Now another important thing, which one we are using in the laboratory, that is called measuring cylinder. So what is measuring cylinder? A measuring cylinder is a cylindrical glass container that has markings or graduations on it. It is used in the laboratory to measure the volume of a liquid accurately. So look at the pictures of the measuring cylinder, and we have different types of measuring cylinders. It is ranging from 10 milliliter to 1000 milliliter. For different types of experiments, we will depend on this measuring cylinder to measure the accurate volume of a liquid. And when we are measuring the volume of a liquid, we can see one important thing inside the measuring cylinder, that is called meniscus. What is it? Look at here. The curved liquid surface is called meniscus, and here this is the picture of a measuring cylinder, and when we are pouring liquids inside the measuring cylinder, we can see these types of curved liquid surface, which is known as meniscus. Now, how to calculate the reading? So when we are going to take the reading, we have to be very careful about it, and our reading should be taken at the bottom of the meniscus. That means from this point we have to take the reading at the bottom of the meniscus, otherwise our calculation will be wrong. And about meniscus, it depends on the thickness of the liquids. Sometimes we can get a concave meniscus, and sometimes we can get convex meniscus. That things we will explain in our higher level, like in standard 7 or in O levels. You will get that types of explanation when we are getting concave meniscus and when we will get convex meniscus, and because these things depends on the density of the liquids. So now we don't have that topic, so for that reason I am not showing that two different types of meniscus. Just now you should know, like in a measuring cylinder, when we are trying to get the volume of a liquid, then we can see these types of curved liquid surface, which is known as meniscus. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.